The Nothing Phone 3 is shaping up to be one of the most eagerly awaited smartphones of 2024. Building on the momentum of its recent success with the Nothing Phone 2a Plus, the company has clearly proved its point that modern smartphones should excel in both design and functionality. With its distinctive glyph interface and unique design, Nothing has quickly made a significant impact in the industry. Following the launch of its flagship, the Phone 2, company is now preparing for its next flagship, the Nothing Phone 3, release in 2025. A well-known tech insider, TechDroider, recently shared the design of the Nothing Phone 3 on Reddit. The design is striking, featuring 3 horizontally aligned cameras at the top of the back panel. These cameras include a 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 sensor and offer 120x zoom capabilities, positioning the Phone 3 to compete with the best camera phones on the market. The glyph interface on the Nothing Phone 3 is even more refined, with 2 straight glyph lines positioned above and below the camera, enhancing the phone's overall aesthetic. In a second image, the Nothing Phone 3 is shown next to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both devices are similar in size, but the Phone 3 features rounded corners, making it more comfortable to hold for extended periods, unlike the Galaxy S24 Ultra's sharper edges, which can be less comfortable during activities like gaming or watching movies. The Nothing Phone 3 will also come with the new Nothing OS 3.0, which offers a cleaner interface and improved user experience. Despite the excitement surrounding the design, there are some concerns about the phone's specifications. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, with options starting at 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, and going up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. However, some users have raised concerns about whether these specs will be competitive in 2025. One user pointed out that the Xiaomi Turbo 3, released in April 2024, already offers a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, and 512 gigabytes storage for a much lower price, around €320. The question arises, if the Nothing Phone 3 is priced at over €600 with similar or even lower specifications, will it be worth the extra cost? Especially when 2025 is likely to see flagship phones equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, the latest and most powerful processor available. If Nothing wants to stay competitive, it may need to consider upgrading to the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, as the 8 Gen 3 could be outdated by the time the Phone 3 is released. However, Nothing is focusing on integrating AI deeply into its operating system, which could differentiate it from other brands. This would also require more power to handle complicated AI tasks. So, what are your thoughts on the Nothing Phone 3? Are you excited about its release? Share your opinions in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.